Shout out to the 10D class, 10E class, the other sections, the late Terrific sandwich, flip stop, make some noise. Nakalimutan ko po. The record, the voice for extension. Pero no! Yeah. Ana! Repin schizophrenia! Carney Hontoy! We have Carney Ron! Papa P! Yan ang Carney Hon! Carney Hon! We have Papa P! Yo! My boy! My boy, man! Sa kaliwa! Bird! Oh my God! Nga! Yo, winner! Yeah! Bitcoin!
Sandwich.
Ladies first.
Oh!
You're the lady, my friend. You're the lady, my friend. Yeah. Go. You want it? I declared abs a rematch. I know I'm your #1 match. Standing right in front of me, so fucking big and wide like a bumblebee. Yeah! Transformer in the making. You're not the one who makes king. Because I'm the king itself. I rule all of you myself. This is not a simple battle. That's why you should rattle. Rattle.
Yeah, rattle.
Because I'm the snake around here, waiting to eat this fat guy loud and clear. I may be a noob to you, but all I can say is fuck you.
Yeah.
I'd rather Google myself in the internet than fighting this fat guy piercing himself with a bayonet.
Bayonet.
I'll cut your head and shoulder. I'm not referring to a fucking shampoo. And now you've done it. Face my ultimate taboo.
Tumahimik kayo mo! Tumahimik!
Tagalog!
Putang ina nyo! Pinatagalog nyo ako! Seryoso ba kayo? Pero payo ko sa'yo. Pare, hindi ka magaling. Nagtatawanan ng sila dahil pang bobong yung dating. Sino? Nag-aangat pating, pero sa true colors mo, reyna ng mga bading. Pare, this shit's not easy. Kahit marunong ka magtagalog, parang greenish. Sobrang cheesy. Hindi ka tao. Iba ang species. Mukha mo pang motolite. Sobrang greasy.
Species.
Drop my line. Di mo makalimutan mga banat ko. Hangover. Ibang level ko sa'yo, flyover. Dire-diretso ang flow ko, walang stop over. You're my slave forever, hindi ka makatakas. Pass over. Okay, wait. Sabi nila, hard work pays. So kahit gaano karami pera mo, ugly pa rin ang yung face. Ako kalaban mo, this will be the end of your days. Kung ako ang king of the dot, ikaw ang king of the gays. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Time! Round 2!
Oh, papi! Putang ina, ano ba yung banat mo sa first round? Hindi singlufet ni Looney. Mga banat mong patawa, parang sip, ngongi. Alam mo ba, para na tayo lumalangoy sa dagat Pasipiko. Mag-isip ka dahil ako yung #1 mong kritiko. Kritiko lang magpapatawag sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka, baka ako ang huling makita mo. Papapi pala yung pangalan ko, itasak mo sa bagapok mo. 0-4 ang aking record. 0 for yung aking record. Mag-ingat ka, baka iyang pansit sa blackboard. Pag ang pansit ng ganun sa blackboard, ilalabas yung aking sword. Then babanatan kita ng mga panunsok kong linya. Punchline. Babanatan kita ng mga libre kong estilo. Freestyle. Putang ina, ano ba yung tinatagalog mo sa first round? Putang ina, wala akong maintindihan dahil Pinoy ako. Pinoy tayong lahat.
Ay, kayo!
Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayong lahat. Maliban sa'yo, hindi pulido yung pagka-Pilipino mo. Dahil ang feel ka kasi sa bayan, kinagsabihan mo.
Papa P. This time I mean it seriously. Nobody could disagree that you're a whack MC. This is play, I'm going on a homo killing spree. And if you didn't know, Pacheco's a nominee for the world's biggest display of faggotry.
Bilang.
All it's hard to find, but looking at your face, give me an idea in mind. Should donate your face to the Filipino Islands because your face has more oil than the Filipino Islands combined. You're starting to suck, but I can see the depreciation. Just kidding. You never really was that good. You never really were that good. You were a shitty creation. I'm so fucking happy. I'm so fucking happy. Call this shit elation. I'll eat your cat just like every other Eastern Asian nation.
Bilang.
Cat pala? You look like an old Skype plate. White and pale. Just kidding, back to a nigger. You'll never be pale. I'm cold as fuck, cold as hell. I'll put Papa P in a box. Faggots in jail. Last time. Pacheco is a faggot. Pacheco is a faggot. Can't admit defeat. Just doesn't understand he belongs in the mid-tier. I belong among the elite. Next time I'm looking for a girl to stay in your seat. Let me call Chongo. I'll close you out like Nowitzki. Close down the heat.
Time. Country. OT na lang?
Judge. Makuntihal. Gonna criticize every one of these bitches. First off, you're a motherfucking ab. Good flow, nice rhymes, but punchline, you know, gotta give it to him. And then there's Papa P, freestyling. Maybe sounds like freestyling Saturday. Gotta give him the upper hand. People laugh at him. Not on his joke, at him. So we'll have to go Papa P.
Oh!
Right.
Respect!
Ano hindi ko mag-judge?
Amazing first battle for 2012. Both of them, I don't know. But my vote goes to OT, man.
OT. Judge.
Judge.
Di Maslow. Lima.
Finisty clan. May Finisty clan pa? The current prince. First round, nice flow. I was gonna go to Abs, but the copy minus points. So I go for Papa P first round. Second round, I think it's for Abs. So I go for OT.
First time I'm supposed to give it an OT, but yeah, the copy, so
Give to Patch.
give it to match.
Yeah.
Second round, give it a tie, so give it an OT.
3 OT, 1 patch. Last.
Butterfly. Gidukol mo.
Butak. Shout out to my fellow friends in Tennessee. Yeah! Repping schizophrenia. Mano. Silang isaklan.
One man plan.
Grabe yung laban, intense. Stop that fucking bitch. Grabe yung laban, intense. Hindi ko, akala ko magaling si Abs Pro May. Cellphone copy. Hindi ako decidido sa ang desisyon na yan. Pwede kayo. Tiyatag ng Jeff Romeo. Round 1, Papa P. Round 1, Papa P. Round 2, still Papa P. So I vote for Papa P winner.
Ngayon, 2-3 OT. Natupad na ang OT. No! Aguna! Ikaw, mauna.
Another NBA reference. Chicago Bulls versus the Cleveland Cavaliers. Daniel versus Phil Pilsen a beer. Bitch, you don't belong in here. Kamo parang poke na bagong pop smear. Ganito si Pacheco magrebatal. Anong poke-poke mo dyan? Kamukha mong Pokemon, kaya umuwi ka na lang si Pokemon Digimon. Yeah! Fuck OT! Fuck OT! Disrespected me by putting me against a batas wannabe without the goatee. Nice. Think you're legit when you spit? Bitch, I have more talent than you in my right tip. You're ugly, Pat. Freestyle na. Papa P! Nagsutsupaan ng mga bading gabi-gabi. Natalo nun sa akin, bakla kasi. Because history has a funny way of repeating itself. Kasi. Get it? Kasi bless, puta. You're up against me! You don't meet my requirements. I beat you the last time, now I'm gonna send you into retirement. Time! Papa P! Kala mo mataas yung vice president ng position. Sorry to tell you, I'm the pro here.